Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how we use the P2R Cam Seal installation tool. This tool is going to come with the tool itself. It's going to come with a bolt and a washer. So what we got here, we got a cam seal, a little bit of engine oil, a P2R install tool with a bolt, and a ratchet with a 17. I got my cylinder head here. When you're working with these cylinder heads, or when you're doing this cam seal in general, you're going to have your rocker assembly installed. So in this case, I don't have any of that installed. So you see I stuck some screwdrivers here. Don't worry about any of that. That's just to hold it. This is a junk head, so I'm not worried about wrecking the head or anything like that. So we're going to start. Just put a little bit of oil on my seal. Nice. Just lubricate a little bit. Stand that side. Come on. All right, so got a little bit of oil on my seal. Just gonna slide it to there. Just kind of get it straight. I take the P2R tool, slide it on there. Take this bolt, and we're gonna screw this into the cam. Okay, once we have that snug, just kind of make sure we kind of center this on there. Put snug. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take the ratchet and we're going to turn. Every time we turn, we're pushing this seal in. Now with this seal, you have to be a little more careful because you don't want to just go until it bottoms out. You actually want to follow the Honda diagram, because the seal, you only want to go so far in with the seal. As you see how easy this is, you just turn the ratchet, and once you're there, loosen that bolt, get this out, and you'll see we got the seal installed nicely. See, the seal went in nice and flush and level. And that's it. That's how you use the P2R Cam Seal install tool.